guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this nice easy hollow braid, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is freshly washed. I'm just adding in some more water so it's nice and damp. I'm just going to be using my Cantu Shea butter and just to moisturize my hair more. And then for this slick down, I'm using my eco styling gel. I'll be parting this hair in little parts just so my hair slicks down easier, because I have real thick hair. So when I do that, I just use a brush and then just brush it down and use a scrunchie to tie that down, and then I'll continue with the rest. As I go along, guys, I'll be adding some more gel so my hair is nice and sleek. You guys, my hair is very coarse, but when we slick it down like this, it works. It really does work. Okay, so yes, I'm super excited about this style, guys. Oh my gosh, the way it turned out. Look at my hair right now, and the final result, oh my gosh, it was like 360. Now that I'm done slicking down my hair, I'm just gonna use my hold me down, just to lay them edges, baby. Take this all the way to 100. Alright guys, I'm just taking the hair right straight from the pot, the way it comes, and I'm just going to feather it so I can have that nice tail, that longer tail. I'll be putting the hair on the door, that way I can be able to, braid it down real good. So you guys can try that so that it can look really nice and neat. All right, now that I'm done, I just used a little rubber band to tie the end, and then I'm using my scissors just to cut all the flyaway. Using my Got2b blasting free spray, guys, I'm just gonna spray the whole hair. That way, all the flyaways are nicely laying down. All right, guys, now the hair is done, the makeup is done. Okay, now it's time to style. I'm just going to take the hair and place it on the little bun that I made in the back right there. And then I'm just going to cover the hair, cover my natural hair, and then use bobby pins to secure. And don't worry about the white stuff showing. That's just some gel. And then I'll start taking the hair, going to the front, just going around my head. When I'm done, I'm just going to tuck the hair in and then pull it to the other side and secure it with the bobby pin. And then you can also secure the top part, you know, with the bobby pin. That is optional, but I like to secure it that way, you know, it's not going anywhere and we can jump and do whatever. And that's cute. Yes, guys, this is easy, simple. You can rock it anywhere, work, school, wherever. And then I'm using my scissors just to cut all the flyaways. So I just took these, you know, accessories that I used in my bridal video as well. Just wanted to show you that you can also use those accessories, but I like this hairstyle with no accessories as well. Oh, and here is the twist, guys. I got 4 different colors of the same hairstyle. First, we got black, and then 27, and then we got violet. Oh, okay. And then we got 30. What? Yes, guys, let me know which one you like. Let me know down below. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Mwah.